We're swimming in Boracay! Thank you, Lord!
Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific.
Day by day we push away, never stop, we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Clocks tick loud, the world won't wait. Every step decides our fate. Hearts on fire, no room for doubt. In this race, we're breaking out. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way.
Hi everyone! We're here at Boracay. So it's June 23rd, Tuesday. 11:50 na. Nakapag-settle na kami. Pero in check-in namin is later pa 2 o'clock p.m. Naglatag lang kami ng mat here in front of Station 1. And ayun lang. Chill lang kami hanggang sa mag-check-in na kami. Si Nathaniel, as usual, naliligo na siya. Andun na siya sa beach. Medyo cloudy ngayon, pero thank you Lord kasi hindi naman umuulan. Nag-lunch na kami sa Mang Inasal, tapos nag-dessert. Tapos ngayon, chill lang here. We are staying at La Fiesta Hotel. So, ayun siya. So, beachfront yung kinuha ko para sulit na sulit. Ang 2 days and 1 night namin dito. Yun lang. I'll see you later. Bye!
Alat. Kubang alat. Layo ka. Hindi ako lumayo.
Nandun ka na nga. Hanggang tuhod mo pa din eh. Hi guys! We're going to swim. It's already 1 o'clock p.m. And nag-check-in na kami. Napaaga yung check-in namin. Tapos na din kaming mag-picture-picture. Ganyan. Ngayon, try ko na mag-swimming. Sobrang lakas ng hangin dito. Grabe. Daw habagat season na kasi. Kaya, look. Maligo na kami. We're swimming in Boracay! Ay, ay, ay! Thank you, Lord! Thank you so much, Lord! Thank you po! Na parang palaka! Magay ka, magay ka! Hi everyone! Patapos lang namin mag-swim. It's around 2 o'clock p.m. Mag-freshen up lang kami and then sobrang lakas ng hangin. And then bababa kami para mag-merienda tapos diretso sunset na yun. So, medyo madugo ang ating make-upan dahil hanggang sunset na dapat to. So, dyan na muna kayo guys. Also, dito ako mag-get ready with me sa may terrace because look at my background. Yan ang fantasy, mag-get ready with me sa tabi ng beach. Yun lang. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much, Lord. So, babalikan ko kayo. Mag-freshen up lang ako. Paplakaduhin natin para hanggang sunset na. Ganun.
You can spend your life in repair, slow your doubt, hope for tomorrow. It's your life, no one cares. When it's your time, you're gonna make it. That's right. Welcome tomorrow. I'm gonna follow the sun. I'm gonna find me a new girl. Yeah, find me the one. I wanna be by the riverside. Wanna be a friend. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, you can spend your life in repair. Slow your doubt, hope for tomorrow. It's your life, no one cares. When it's your time, you're gonna make it.
Guys, I'm done. Mag-setting spray na lang ako and then mag-ayos ng ba. Ay, mag-transition muna ako. Yun lang. Bye! Ay, nandito na kami sa labas. Bumili kami ng merienda, yung famous na Chori Burger tsaka konting barbecue dito sa Station 1. Tapos maggagala-gala lang kami until sunset. Pero babalik kami dito sa Station 1 before sunset kasi dito daw maganda. Good morning. Today is June 24, 7:11 a.m. Andito kami ngayon sa Cafe del Sol. Kami ay magbe-breakfast kasi maya-maya pupunta kami ng Puka Beach. Mamimili kami ng konting pasalubong tapos baka mag-swimming din kami doon. Pero hindi kami sure kasi umuulan ngayon. So, titignan pa din namin. And kakain lang muna kami dito. Tapos, I'll get back to you later. Bye!
Sabay nila to. Pangpulo.
Ah?
Tapos hindi pa rin.
Okay. Ha?
Lang.
Ha? Ba't mo kasi nilagyan ng kalamansi yung... Hindi naman lemon yan.
Ano ito? Ay, naman sa...
What can you say about your breakfast in English?
I thought the house was small, but it's worth the price.
Ow!
And the fruits is so delicious and
Is it fresh?
yes.
It's fresh. They have some fruits on the side. If you will rate your breakfast,
Will be 8 over 10 because this one, I don't like this.
what's that?
Achar. And the vinegar is so sour. That's all.
That's all. Thank you.
Because this beach, I didn't finish all the parts. All the parts.
Ayun na, maliligo pa mo. Yan. Naan mo? Buso mo na yung putas. Orange yan mo. Sankis.
Practice naman dyan. Practice naman dyan.
Kasi bili ko mo tapos bigay mo na kay Tanya yung ano. Bakwan.
Hindi siya pala po.
Ano ba? Alisin mo kasi muna yung ano. Yan. Guys, pauwi na kami ngayon. Pero may lumapit kasi sa amin. 450. Tatlo daw kami. Tuturuan niya daw kami mag-surfing. Eh diba sobrang enjoy ko yung sa La Union. So gusto ko ma-experience nung ni Tanyel tsaka ni Kian. Ayan o. Hi guys.
Dati hirap na hirap tayo magkaroon ng ulam na ito. Ngayon, pinapapak mo na lang yung tabas.
Thank you Lord. Kasi kanina pa kami parang mga 1 hour ago. Sabi namin gusto namin ng chokes to go, ganyan. Ayaw namin ng andos. Aray ko. Eh walang chokes to go dun sa bahay ng tita ko. Ngayon nag-stop over sa mismong katapat ng terminal. May chokes to go. Tumakbo siya para sabi ni Frosty. Mukbang.
You can spend your life in repair, slow your doubt, hope for tomorrow. It's your life, no one cares. When it's your time, you're gonna make it. That's right. Welcome tomorrow. I'm gonna follow the sun. I'm gonna find me a new girl.
Parang judge.
Ano yung tutorial?
Parang mukhang masarap yung ano kain sa busan mo yung chokes to go. Tingnan mo mukhang chichirya dito.
Ba't di tayo mag-invento ng ganyan tutorial? May hawak.
So guys, andito na kami ngayon sa bus. Pero pauwi na kami pabalik ng Rojas Capiz. 4 hours kasi yung biyahe. Pero malapit na kami. Isang oras na lang. And thank you so much for watching. Nakatapos lang namin kumain with this chokes to go shenanigans.
Mabuti. Okay. So,